Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today is Janmashtami, so we'll make a Krishna in Gondat style. Let's start. I have left margin here because every time framing becomes difficult if margin is not there, and later on if we want we can extend the design, tree and birds and all, we can always extend. I'm going to use tissue 000 number brush and black paint for outline and all the bright colors and lots of white and black paint for filling. So we will first draw the motifs of Gaunt art. First, I'm going to give an outline of the tree. They also have black color outline, but it's not necessary to have double line. So I'll draw the leaves. Leaves of the tree have a different style. See, first we are drawing two petals and then this is coming out. Now this is a bird here. So our first cow's half body is behind the tree. So we will start with this big one. You have to imagine its first feet is coming here and going behind this cow. And these are big birds. Now let's come to Krishna Ji. This is the turban, and that is how they show the peacock feather. Let's draw the flute. Now let's come to this cow. This cow's face is half hidden behind the Krishna Ji's hand. Now draw two bunny rabbits because it's a jungle scene. So now first we will fill base color everywhere, then we will do the line work. This art also has a black outline. So let me start with leaves, and in this the leaves have two different colors. We'll use these two shades of green. Now I'm going to use this pink color and I'm going to fill it in the petals here. Now I'm going to start the tree. So for tree I am going to take brown color, beige color, orange color. We'll start making the birds. The birds are very colorful. So this is dark pink and we will give a contrast with it. So for contrast, I think baby pink will work. I will also use this purple and I will use this golden yellow for birds. So let's start the birds. अब हम काउस में बेस कलर शुरू करने वाले हैं। अभी हम ये 3 शेड्स ले रहे हैं। एक कैमिल का है, ये फेबियो का है और ये फेविक्रिल का है और इनके संग हम ये फेविक्रिल का बेज कलर है ये बेसिकली, ओके, और रेड कलर हम यूज कर रहे हैं। तो ये हम 4-5 कलर्स और हमने खोल लिए हैं। put dots on these leaves. Now I'm going to take 000 brush and we'll start the line work. We can make dots with brush also. I'm going to show you. Please do outline like this everywhere. So now on the tree, so like in Madhubani we do Kachni, here also we draw lots of designs. Mainly they are line designs. So space is left. So here we'll draw only slanting lines. Whatever design we decide for the tree, we have to follow that all over the tree. You can make bangles of any other color. Let's make the grass now.
I hope you liked the video. Kindly like, subscribe and share information about my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Thank you. Namaste.